Hello and welcome to Before You Buy. This week we're taking a look at Mobius Models 1965 Plymouth Satellite. Great looking cover art there. This is a stock Satellite. Here we got a shot of a built up in that factory stock form. Contains over 100 parts, 1/25th scale, skill level 3, ages 15 and up. The end is the same as the cover. And here we have a few more shots of a built up under the hood. In the interior, and again taking a look at that 426 Commando engine. There we have a part number of 1215 and a copyright of 2015. I do believe this is the first or initial release of the 65 Plymouths from Mobius. They did the satellites and Belvederes in various forms, but I do believe this is our first one. So let's get inside and take a look. Right on top we do have that Satellite hardtop body, a set of 4 black and white wall tires, a glass package, 1 bag of opaque parts, bag of chrome parts, another bag of opaque parts, and in the bottom it's like a small decal set and our colored instructions. Let me get this unbagged and we'll take a closer look. Okay, here we are with those nice colored instructions from Mobius. Pretty standard affair from Mobius. Nice suggested paint colors. Help you along with building yours. Great parts layout. This builds up into a factory stock only Satellite. We'll have pictures of everything at the end. There's some nice layouts of a built up. Again, just to really help you along, seeing actual photographs of the model. It's always nice to see exactly where things are going and how to color them. Here's a nice layout of Plymouth paint codes and colors to do a correct factory stock rendition of your own. And moving into some of the parts, let's do the tires here. We get 4 of these, white walls on one side, real nice tread pattern, and then black wall on the other. 4 of those guys for your factory stock. Take a quick look at the clears, windshield, back glass, vent windows, headlights, and some marker lights, tail lights. Next, the main part of the body. Really nice trim for that Satellite hardtop configuration. It does have the Satellite and V8 badging on the fenders. Nice radiator sport upper. You have the, I think that's the Chrysler door locks. Plymouth across the rear. And the parts. Chrome tree. There are some things missing here, but I believe that's all been removed from Mobius themselves. Nice set of factory wheel set, air cleaner, center console. Small parts, some headlight buckets, door handles, inside rear view mirror, little tail panel there, valve covers, really nice looking grille and bumper set, tail lights. Again, I think some of the missing holes are all from Mobius themselves. The wiper arms, side mirror, a couple of small bits there, real nice. It does say Satellite on that tail panel. Nice detail. Here we are into the opaque parts. Nice flat stock hood with Plymouth across the nose. Inner fender wells, rear panel. Nice looking battery, radiator. Here's our dash. Nice detail there. Pair of horns, steering column, wheel backs, that tail panel, steering wheel, overflow tank of sorts, nice firewall, very crisp radiator support. Here we got a subframe, the other half of that center console, K-member, hood hinges, single carb intake, shocks, rear end and leaf spring combo with the drive shaft, steering member, our pedal set, part of our exhaust, real nice mufflers and tailpipes, nice little tree there. Getting into some of the interior, there we have our back seat, real crisp molding, even has the emblem in the center. Got some seat backs there, another part of our exhaust, and our front bucket seats. Here we have our engine transmission combo, again that 426 Commando, or wedge motor, transpan, fan belt, alternator, coil, starter, front cover, pan, hoses. Really nice detailed set there. Really nice exhaust manifolds for that Commando. Ultra crisp floor pan. Really nice detail there. Again, some more suspension components, spindles. Here's our interior door panels. Nice detail. Very prominent door cranks and armrests to detail out. And last but not least is our small little decal package. Plymouth script, satellite scripts, that Commando V8, satellite, Plymouth, marker light, or maybe a trunk tag or something, air cleaner cover, gauges, vent chrome. Nice to cover all of the main components for your factory stock build. We'll have pictures at the end, and thanks for watching.